Hello students, today we are here with our worksheet number 31, subject science for class 9, that is from your chapter motion, and today we are here to discuss about the acceleration. Gyan asked Jigyasa Di, how do we calculate the changes in velocity with respect to time? Gyan, we know that the uniform motion, there is no change in the velocity. But in a non-uniform motion, students, like a car running on the traffic jam road, its velocity keeps on changing. So change in velocity means acceleration. What is acceleration, students? The change in the velocity of an object per unit time is called acceleration. This is the answer of your first question. And what is the formula? The change in the velocity upon time taken. You can also write that form of formulas. And what is the SI unit, student? Meter per second square. Next one, acceleration is of two types, student. Positive acceleration and negative. Positive acceleration. In the positive acceleration, the velocity of an object increasing continuously, so it is called accelerated motion. And when the velocity of an object decrease, student, with the time, it is called the retarded motion. Then the acceleration is negative. You can write from here, student. For example, my car is at rest position, and when I started my car, it means its velocity get increased, so it is called accelerated motion. And whenever I bring my car on the road and I apply brake, it means I decrease the velocity, then it is called the retardation. Okay, student, accelerated motion. And what is when the velocity is decreased, it is called retarded motion. There is example given up to you, student. For example, a car is at rest, and when it started, it attains a velocity of 5. So the acceleration is v minus u upon t. V means finally 5. Initially 0 divided by 2, that is 2.5 meter per second square. These graphs, velocity time graphs, are very important, student. You can practice the graph. The first for the uniform acceleration, second one for the non-uniform. Uniform acceleration means when the velocity increase or decrease by equal amount of time. And the graph is here, student. And non-uniform, when the velocity changes unevenly with the time. It is called non-uniform motion, and the graph is here. So this is the answer of your third question, student. You have to write the third question answer from here and also draw the graph. Check yourself. First question we do. Third question we already do. Now we have to done the second question. A aeroplane attains. Attains means firstly it is at rest. So we have to find the acceleration. Formula is v minus u upon t. V is 200. Initially u, it is at rest, and time is 30 seconds. So what is the acceleration? That is 6.67 meter per second square. Okay, student, this is the answer of your second question, because initially the aeroplane is at rest. Now let's move to our fourth question, student. A car accelerates uniformly from 5 to 10. It means v is 10 here. Initially it is at 5 and time is 5. So our acceleration is 1 meter per second square. I think this worksheet is clear up to you. You have no doubt about among uniform, non-uniform acceleration and what is acceleration and retardation. I think you can clear all doubts about acceleration, when it is positive, when it is negative, and what is the SI unit? Meter per second square. Student, if you like that worksheet, please share among your friend circle. Subscribe our channel Learning Light to get more notification and updates of worksheet timely. Thank you.